Greetings, Mark Brown. You're going to be looking at how we can schedule a meeting right in Google Meet. So the first thing you want to do is to bring up the browser right here. Then you're going to come all the way to the right. You notice in that you're going to click on it. So when you click on it, what you're looking for is Google Meet. If you notice, you have an icon here about what you want to focus on. Right here is Google Meet. So you're going to click on Google Meet. So when you click on Google Meet, this is exactly what you will see on the home page. You will see new meeting, you will see enter code link right here, and if you notice up here, show settings, you show that you actually sign in and all of that. Right here is a get link and share. So what I wanted to do is to click right here on new meeting. So we're going to click right here new meeting, and what you will see is to create a meeting for later, start an internet meeting and schedule in Google Calendar. Right, so remember what we're looking at and schedule. So we're going to click on schedule. When you click on schedule, you'll tell them that will take us directly to the Google Calendar. So that's exactly where we're going to actually schedule it. Alright, and if you notice right up here, the title. So I'm going to put home work. Right here, let me click on this a bit. Alright, and type homework right there. So let's see right here, I can actually put the time zone right here, and if I want it all day, I can actually do that. I want to repeat. If I come right here and click, I can say daily right here, or weekly, or upon Wednesday only. If you notice annual and all of that right there. If you notice right here, it's a giant meet. So this is add location. You notice minute, and show you that actually in chat. So if you notice right over here, shows I can add guest to it. I can actually copy it from right here. If you notice, I can actually invite others just the same. So as soon as I finish with this and set the schedule, I can come right over here. I can click on the word save. Notice I click on the word save. There it is right here. So what if I wanted to send it directly to my student, to my audience and all of that? How do I really do that? The one thing you have to do is just put the cursor on it and right click. Well, not right click, click on it just like that. Notice when I click on it, if you notice right here is a join a Google Meet right here. Here you can click right here and copy it and actually paste it in your web browser. Alright, you can come right here, so you can edit it, you can delete it. Alright, here you can actually email it, but if you notice, you come right to this option right here. Sure as I can duplicate it, you can copy to your computer in class D and all that. You can publish event. Right, but I want to focus right here in the email section. So when I click right here, so if you have a group email, you can actually do that. When I click right there, notice right here, so add email. So notice when I come and add email right here, which shows I can copy it also. Right here shows says homework. Right here so far, definitely. So here I can actually write a message right here and say, please see homework. See homework link. And as soon as you do that, you can come right here. But bear in mind, you can add more than one email address right here. And when you finish, you can come right here. You can actually send it just the same. You can actually place the same thing in Google Classroom just the same. So this is how you actually schedule a meeting right here in Google Meet. So hope you have learned something from this video here. So remember to share, and thanks for your time.